Hey guys, this is Rachel Feldman. I am the proud creator of what you see here at yourhealthcoachbiz.com. We have content, opt-in freebies, programs, gateway programs, programs for memberships, and more. These programs can be used online or offline. I thought about my clients and even myself. Who doesn't love chocolate? So when I thought about a great list builder for women like myself, or even for Valentine's Day, I thought, who wouldn't want to give your clients drinks, breakfast, pumpkin pancakes, sandwiches, all these different yummy puddings, chocolate bowls, protein balls, desserts. You could have this as an opt-in freebie. You can have this as even a cooking class. How fun would it be to have a month of chocolate, meetups? So when you're thinking about this, this can either be a gift as a program, a bonus. I don't know who doesn't love chocolate. So here is a social media post for you. And when it says download now, you're going to, of course, link that either to a forum, a blog, or an opt-in page. Blog meaning if you have one of our blog packages, you can have this as the CTA, which is a call to action. We also give you adorable little banners that you can use if you wanted to put this on your Facebook page as the cover, or you wanted to use that for an event banner. We also give you an opt-in page and a thank you email written by my copywriter, in addition to a launch manual. No matter who you are in this world, we all love support. And so if you're new to this business, or maybe you've had a tough time niching your business, we wanted to give you a program checklist or even a launch timeline so that you have exactly what you need to do to launch your business with success. Again, my name is Rachel Feldman, health coach gone business coach for people just like you. So if you want to save time, save money, not have to hire a designer or copywriter, we are your one-stop shopping. I look forward to getting to know you in our private exclusive forum when you purchase. And again, if you have any questions, just pop them in the sales page and we will be there to answer. Have a great one, guys.